In DND mode, the phone will reject all calls automatically, and callers will receive a busy message. You can enable or disable DND for the entire phone system, or you can customize DND for each or all accounts. If you want to activate DND in phone mode, press the OK key to enter the main menu. Select Call Features and choose Do Not Disturb. Press up or down navigation key to highlight the desired line, and then press the OK soft key. Press left or right navigation key to select Enabled from the status field. Press the OK soft key again to accept the change. The Do Not Disturb icon will be shown on the status line of the LCD. When the phone receives new incoming calls, it will reject them automatically. The LCD will display the missed call icon followed by the number of missed calls.